In this video, I will be showing you how to create a promo code on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to select discounts. Once you have tapped on discounts, you'll be redirected to this page. And all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap right where you see create discount in the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on create discount, you have 4 different type of discounts that you can offer. For example, you can offer a percentage off. You can also create buy X get Y. You can also offer an amount off. So let's say for example you like to offer a fixed amount, you can do that. You can also create a free shipping discount. So let's say for example we want to give an amount of products. So we are going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. You can either choose to enter your code right here. You could create a code, or you can tap on generate random code. After tapping on generate random code, you can scroll down and you can either choose to give a percentage off or a fixed amount. Let's say for example, I want to give a discount of 10% off. I could type in 10% right there. And if it is a case that you would like to offer this discount on only specific products, you could tap on specific right where you see specific collections and you could select specific products, then tap on browse and you could select the products that you would like to offer it on. If it is a case that you would like to offer it only on specific collections, you can select the specific collections right there. And also if you would like to set up a minimum purchase requirement, you can do that right there, meaning that the customer would need to spend X amount before getting the discount. You can scroll down and also you can set up the maximum amount of time customers will be able to use this discount code. And if you would like to set a start and end date when this discount code is active and inactive, right where you see active dates, you could tap right there and you can set up when you would like to start and when you would like to finish. But if you like it to stay active unless you delete it, you can leave it as is. Before saving it, we're going to scroll back up and right where you see specific collections must be added, we're going to tap right there. So you can tap on browse, and if you don't have a collection at the moment, what you could do is simply tap right where you see specific products and all you'll need to do is tap on browse, and from here you could select all your products right there. Then tap on add. After you have done that, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner and you can see the changes have been saved. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Now all you'll need to do is simply share this code. So you could tap on get shareable link right here and you could copy the link and you could share it with others, or you can simply tap here to copy discount code and you'll be able to share it. You can share it with pop-ups and so on that you can create. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.